Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. This is a joint health, FUNRICH, I guess joint health. It says glucosamine, chondroitin, MSM, and turmeric. It comes with 120 capsules, and it says the servings per container is 30. I don't know why it says that. Oh, because you have 4 capsules as a serving. Okay, let's open it up and see what these look like. Oh, there we go. Popped it through. And they look like little capsules here. You can see it doesn't have any writing on it, I don't think. Nope, but it's filled with some sort of powder. You can almost see where the powder goes kind of in there. But it's a squishy tablet, probably. Well, I don't want to open it, but it could probably be open to get the powder out of it. But that's it there. It comes with a whole bunch of them. So I guess you take 4 of these at a time. They seem like they would go down pretty easy. They're just little gel caps. So really cool. So if you need this for your joint health, this is a good option. Super good. I like it. Thumbs up from me.